Worksheet 2 of algebraic expressions. Find the product. In this exercise, you have to do the product of binomial by monomial. Binomial means a algebraic expression contains two terms. Two terms means binomial term, and this is a monomial. The product of binomial by monomial. Okay, how to do? See this. Now the product of binomial by monomial. The first you have to write monomial and multiply it by first term, and the 4x monomial multiplied by second term. The 4x multiplied by x square and 4x multiplied by 3xy. The answer is 4x. X is 1 plus 2 is 3. And 4 3s are 12. First we have to multiply the number and count the powers of x. 1 and 1, 2 and y. This is the answer of product of monomial by binomial. Now second, in this second, 9pqr, this is a monomial multiplied by binomial. It has two terms. Now first multiply 9pqr into 2 into p square q minus 9pqr multiplied by 3q square r. Now first multiplied number 9 to the 18 and p 1 plus 2 is 3, q 1 1 2 and r minus 9 into 3 27, p is 1, only 1, q 1 plus 2 3 and r 1 plus 1 2. This is the product of 9pqr multiplied by 2pqr p square q minus 3q square r. And the third one is this 3 by 4 a square. This is monomial multiplied by this binomial. The first term 3 by 4 a square multiplied by 2 by 3 b square plus 3 by 4 multiplied by 2 by 3 b square plus 3 by 4 a square multiplied by 8 a b. Now 3 cancel, 2 2s are 4. It means a square b square divided by 2. A square b square by 2 plus 4 2s are 8. 3 2s are 6. A 2 plus 1 3 and b. This is the answer of third. Now second question. Find the following products and then evaluate when x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1. 7x plus 9y square multiplied by 3xy square. Okay. Or evaluate, find the value when x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1. Just first multiply. 3xy square multiplied by 7x and 3xy square multiplied by 9y square. Now 7 3s are 21, x 2 and y 2 and 3 9s are 27, x y raised to power 4. Now evaluate x. Now put the values x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1. 2 into x square means 2 into 2. Y square is minus 1 square. 27 x 2 by 4, it means minus 1 raised to power 4. 21 4s are 2 2s are 4, 4 84 minus 1 square is plus 1. 27 into 2 54 138. This is the value because minus 1 raised to power 4 equal to 1. Okay. Question number 3. Find the product of 8s square t square minus 2st and verify the result when s equal to 1 and t equal to 5. The product of 8 s square into t square minus 8 s square into 2s t. 8 s square t square minus 8 to the 16 s cube t. Now verify the result for s equal to 1 and t equal to 5. In LHS, as 8s square t square minus 2st. 8 into 1 square, t square is 5 square minus 2 into 1 into 5. Now 8, 25 minus 10. 25 minus 10, 15. 25 minus 10 is 15. 15 8 is 120. Now RHS. Now put the value in RHS. RHS is 8 s square t square minus 16 s cube t. 8 s square means 1 square and t equal to 5. 16 1 cube into 5. 8 into 25 minus 16 into 5 80. 25 into 8 200 minus 80. The answer is 120. LHS equal to RHS, hence verified. Okay. Now question 4. Find the product of 2 by 7x square, 7y plus 14x and verify the result when x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Product of 2 by 7x square. Seven 2x square y and 7 into 2 4x raised to power 3. Now put the values in LHS. 2 by 7 x square. X square means x equal to 2. Square means 2 into 2. In bracket 7 y. It means 7 into 3. Plus 14 into 2. 2 to the 4. 8 by 7. 21 plus 28. 21 plus 28. 49. 7, 8, 7, 8 into 7 is 56. This is LHS. Now put the value in RHS. Right hand side. This is the right hand side. 2x square y plus 4x cube. Okay. Now put 2 into x square means 2 into 2 and y is 3. Plus 4 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. X cube 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times. 24 plus 32. This is also 56. LHS equal to RHS. Verified. Question number 5. Find the product of 0.2xy, 3x plus 2y and verify the result for x equal to 5 and y equal to minus 1. Multiplied 0.2 xy into 3x and 0.2 xy into 2y. Multiply 0.2 into 3 is 0.6. X 112. 0.4 x y. This is the RHS and this is LHS. Now first you have to put the values in LHS. 0.2 xy, x equal to 5, y equal to minus 1. 0.2 into 5 into minus 1. In bracket 3 into x, yani 3 into 5, 2 into y, 2 into minus 1. 2 5 are 10, 1 it means only 1, minus 1. 5 3 are 15, minus 2 is 13. And minus 1 into 13 is minus 13. And RHS 0.6 x square y. 0.6 x square means 5 into 5, y is minus 1, plus 0.4 x y square. 15, 5 5 are 25, 6 are 150 and decimal minus 15 plus 2 minus 13. LHS equal to RHS. Hence verified the result for x equal to 5 and y equal to minus 1. Last question, simplify. These are the 3 simplifications. Okay. The first simplification, AB into A square minus B square. First AB multiplied by A square and minus AB into B square. In this, B cube multiplied by A minus B cube multiplied by 2B. A, how much A? 2 plus 1, A 3B minus AB raised to power 3. AB raised to power 3 minus 2B cube 4. 3 plus 1, 4. Plus minus cancel. The answer is A cube B minus 2B raised to power 4. Now second is this. Minus 6x square multiplied by xy minus 6x square multiplied by 2y square. This minus 3y square into 2x square minus 3y square into y minus plus minus. The answer is minus 6 x cube by minus 12 x square y square minus 6 x square y square minus 3 y cube. For simplification, now we have to add the like terms. These are the like terms. Minus 6 x cube by minus 12 minus 6 is minus 18 x square y square and minus 3y cube. Okay. Last, 2x into x minus y square. It means 2x into x minus, this is the minus 2x into y square minus 3y into xy minus into plus minus 3y into 2x minus xy into x and minus xy into y. Just multiply these two, this. Okay. Answer is 2x cube minus 2x y square minus 3x y square 6xy minus x square y minus xy square. Now collect the like terms. First 2x cube. Okay. Next 2xy square, 3xy square and minus 1xy square. These are the 6xy square. Minus 2, minus 3 and minus 1. Minus 6xy minus x square y. This is the answer. कोई भी लाइक टर्म नहीं है जो आपस में ऐड होगा. Okay. Worksheet is finished now.